Hi everyone, welcome back to Christmas season. Hope you all are safe and doing very well. One of the most popular dishes during this Christmas time is turkey. Turkey is made in different ways around the world. If you ask me, here normally English people they bake the whole turkey and serve it. We tried it a couple of times earlier. So this time what I thought is I'll chop the turkey into pieces like how we do it for chicken and make it in different ways. So today's video I'll be sharing with you all turkey curry, which you can have it with some flat bread. Like today we had it with naan. So with rotis, naan, bread, everything this curry goes very well. And later on I'll share turkey roast some other day. So do watch it till the end, turkey curry. I'll be sharing the recipe with you all. I also made Turkish bread or butter naan in one of my earlier videos. I'll be sharing the link in the description box below. In case if you want to refresh your memories, you can just have a look at it. We bought this turkey from the farm shop and we asked them to chop it into pieces like how we do it for the chicken. So I took little portion of the turkey, added little ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder, homemade spices, garam masala, and now adding a little bit of red chili powder, coriander powder, mixing it very well, and I marinated it for 2 hours. The turkey meat is harder when compared to chicken and it has to be cooked for longer hours if you're cooking it in a regular bowl, and you also need to use at least 1 or 2 tablespoons of vinegar. So that's the reason I'm using a pressure cooker. It gets cooked very faster. Initially take a pressure cooker, add some oil, adding some bay leaves to it and then onions. I'm not using any garam masalas here because I already added some freshly grated garam masala powder while marinating it. So after sauteing the onions very well, we can add a little bit of salt as per the requirement. Here if you want, you can wait till the onions turn into golden brown color, or once they start getting cooked, you can actually add the marinated turkey into it and stir it properly. After this, we can add a little bit of water to it, depending on the requirement of the gravy we need. And once it's boiling, we can close the lid of the pressure cooker and leave it in the low flame till we get a couple of whistles, depending on what type of pressure cooker you normally use. Now while the turkey is getting cooked, we can prepare the gravy. Further, I am taking some cumin seeds, black pepper, coriander seeds, and also a very big red chili and onion. All these ingredients we're going to make it into a final paste. So initially these seeds will be roasting it and later we'll be making it into a paste. I'm also adding a little bit of chopped ginger and garlic to this. We already added a little bit of ginger garlic paste to the turkey while cooking. Now this is for the gravy preparation. This freshly made paste is very aromatic and looks very beautiful. Now taking a wider pan and adding some oil and ghee to it. When it's ready, add some mustard seeds. And now adding some onions. Saute them very well and leave it in the low flame so that they get fried. Now adding some fresh curry leaves and stirring it well. The flavors of the curry leaves are very authentic. Now adding little bit of turmeric powder. We already added some turmeric powder while cooking the turkey, so adding just a bit of it for the gravy. Now adding the aromatic homemade paste into this and stirring it very well. These extra ingredients which we are adding actually increases the taste of the turkey. So do try them, it's really amazing. Keep sauteing it in the low flame at least for 5 minutes till the onions in the paste gets cooked. The turkey is cooked very well in the pressure cooker. It's become very soft now and the flavors of the spices are really appetizing. We didn't add any vinegar to this, just in the low flame till we got some 2 to 3 whistles. So now it's time for this turkey to go into this gravy. Now we can slowly start adding the turkey into this gravy. Mix it very well and leave it in the low flame. Depending on the consistency of the gravy requirement, increase and decrease the flames. The delicious turkey curry is ready now. We can serve it hot. As I told you all, I made some naan today at home. So we had this turkey curry with naan. It was really yummy. You can try it with some bread, flatbread, rotis. It goes very well even with a fried rice. So this Christmas, try this variety recipe, turkey curry. I hope you liked watching my today's video. Do give it a thumbs up in YouTube and also feel free to share it with your friends and family. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet and if you're watching it for the first time, do hit the subscribe button and also don't forget to click on the bell icon at the bottom so that you'll be notified whenever I upload my new videos. Thanks for watching. See you in another vlog. Bye.